to, time to put those mud flaps on. Okay, this is the front wheel. I'm going to attach this mud flap using this top fastener for the top hole, and then I drilled a second hole right here for the bottom fastener. So then when you put the flap on, you just put the fasteners on, 1, 2, and it keeps it steady, right where it's supposed to be. I just test fitted everything. Everything lines up. So let's see if this looks good when I put it on. And there they are. They're installed. It looks a little low because the car's lowered, but I got a good 1.5 inch clearance. Now let's look at the other side. This side installed. Looks good. Now let's get the backs. And the rears are on. The only thing I had to do was put in 2 self-tapping screws. You see right there, 1, 2. Make sure to line everything up straight. And it turned out pretty good. So, stupid backfire. Okay, so let's wash this car up and see what it looks like.